Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will begin by enabling developer options and turning on USB debugging so your PC can issue removal commands. This is essential because many system apps require ADB. Once done, make a full backup to restore if needed. You are about to remove system-level packages. Then connect via USB and verify ADB recognizes your device with a DB devices. Finally, list Google Apps with a package query so you know which packages you will target for uninstalling or disabling. Now you will remove apps using ADB commands. This is where precision matters. Start with a DB shell PM uninstall user 0 followed by each Google package name you listed. This removes the app from your user without deleting the APK. Once done, address stubborn system apps by remounting system as writable and carefully removing APKs, only if you understand risks. Also, disable related services first with PM disable user to prevent crashes. You do this to maintain system stability while stripping Google components. To finish, reboot the device and test core features like Wi-Fi, notifications, and apps you use. You must confirm nothing critical broke. If you see boot loops or missing dependencies, re-enable packages or reinstall existing ones using ADB commands to restore services. If problems persist, restore your backup or, as a last resort, flash the stock firmware to recover system integrity. One troubleshooting tip: keep a list of removed packages so you can accurately reinstall any that caused instability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.